Hi everyone, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to add CapCut templates to favorites. This feature helps you easily access your favorite templates for quick editing. So let's get started on how to add CapCut templates to favorites. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Go to the templates section. Look for the template that you want to add to favorites and tap on it to open it. Now, locate the favorites option at the bottom left corner of your screen. Simply tap on it to add the template to your favorites. And this is how you can add CapCut templates to favorites. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.